Today I'm going to be showing you how I built my zero clearance tapering jig that breaks apart and allows for you to put different inserts of different degrees. That one was 90 degrees or 0 degrees depending on how you think about it. This is 22.5 degrees. And as simple as pulling off an insert and putting on another, this is 10. I can switch these out with no problems at all and get that zero clearance, glorious, know where my blade is going to be on one simple jig. If you like, follow along, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to check out my website, I finally have merch. This is the "There's Nothing Like the Smell of Sawdust in the Morning" t-shirt. Make sure to take a look at it and let's build this thing. right, so this is my zero clearance compound taper jig. These right here says 22.5 degrees and 9 inches. So my fence is 9 inches away from my blade according to my rule, and my blade is tilted to 22.5. And when I slide this in, it has a nice zero clearance. The cool thing about this jig is it breaks apart and allows for other inserts like 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and so on. And then these snap back in place and then snug tightly in, and they work just fine. And then there's a standard tapering jig that can go in any direction. There's different hold downs and stop blocks depending on what you're making. So I'm going to set up this compound piece. And so this is just a template that I made. I used double-sided tape to make the final one so that way I could break it apart and then use this as an actual template. So anyway, so I have this piece. I want this angle, which is 22.5 degrees, to be flush right here. So I'm going to push my piece. And then this is the hold down piece for the piece, and it's quite a bit longer. So actually this is the piece that I'm cutting the piece from, and it slides in, and then I can tighten it down just like this and then make my cut like this. And this piece is the same as this piece. It just lines up perfectly, just like that. Again, it's got the 22.5 degree bevel, just like, if I can get it, like this one. Oop, right there. You can't see it from that angle, but it's there. So anyway, and then it just has to be cut to length at the proper angle. Ta-da.